The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is unlike anything we've seen on the market. Why? The S Pen. So why do I say the Note 20 Ultra is unlike anything we've seen on the market? Well, if you want a mobile device that has an amazing stylus, even as good as the Apple Pencil, the only option is the Note 20 Ultra. There might be other devices that have styluses, but there's a reason why you've not heard about them, because they do not work. This device, in my opinion, is the best stylus mobile device on the market right now. The S Pen unlocks a lot of potential with the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and in this video I'll be sharing with you my top 5 S Pen features on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Now, my first favorite feature is the fact that this pen has a response rate of 9 milliseconds. It's actually quite impressive how the S Pen works in Autodesk Sketchbook, and it has all these levels of pressure and it has all these brushes that you can make good use of. I mean, if you're someone who really takes digital art seriously as a profession, or doing it as a hobby, or you're freelancing that particular skill, I think this mobile device is your best friend, because you can do a lot of digital art with this pen because of how responsive this pen is. My second favorite feature of the S Pen on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is the Smart Select feature. You know, Smart Select has been very helpful. All you need to do is just use the pen to select text on the screen, and it's able to give you, the option to copy that text. Now, this even works for screenshotted images, so you can copy text from a screenshot, which is an amazing thing. And the good thing is that you don't even need the internet to make this work, and I can see a lot of people using this feature on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. The third feature that I'm most excited about on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is AR Doodle. It's no news you're moving towards the AR era, and I like the fact that the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra has some pretty impressive augmented reality features. So with the S Pen, you can be able to draw around objects in real time, and you can be able to map out the objects through the camera, and you can see all the scribbles or all the drawings you've made in real time. And I think I really love this AR feature. If you have patience, I think there's some really impressive things you can do with it. Moving on to my fourth favorite S Pen feature on the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and that will be Translate. The Translate feature of the S Pen is quite impressive, like having to hover the pen over text to convert it from one language to the other is quite brilliant, and I love that feature. I think this is very helpful if you want to learn a new vocabulary in another language. This feature can help you do so without having to download any other third-party app. The last feature on the S Pen that I'm really excited about is the fact that you can use the S Pen to write in your calendar app. So now, I didn't think the ability to scribble notes in your calendar app is going to be something interesting and something useful, but after using it, I felt that this is truly a good idea. The ability to just quickly make some scribbles or some drawing in your calendar app is truly amazing. I think this only works in the Samsung calendar app, so if you have like a third-party calendar app like Google Calendar, it's not going to work, but I like that it has that feature. In conclusion, I think the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra on its own is pretty much impressive, but adding the S Pen and all these amazing S Pen features puts it on another level, and I just like that about this device. So here are my top 5 features, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and hit the bell icon as well, so that anytime a new video is released, you're going to be updated instantly. I go by the name Soji Gray, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay blessed.